Okay, now let us learn how to save a file. To save the document, use the File then Save option. The Save As dialog box appears. Choose the location and specify a name in the File Name text box. Click on the Save option. Students, now let us understand how to close a file. Click on the File menu and select the Close option. The file will be closed. Okay, let's find out how to open an image file. Click on the File menu and select the Open option. The Open dialog box appears. Now select the desired file using the Look In option. Select the file and click on the Open button. The selected image will be opened. Okay, let us discuss on selection tools. Selection tools are used to select an image or a part of it to perform cut, copy, edit or retouching operations. There are various under-mentioned selection tools in Photoshop. Okay, let us take a quick view. In Photoshop CS6, you cannot undo more than one action using Undo command in the Edit menu. To do so, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Z key combination. Rectangular Mark You tool. It is used to select an image or a part of it in a rectangular, square, elliptical or as a row or column that is 1 pixel wide. Click on the Rectangular Mark You tool in the Tools panel. The cursor appears as a cross hair sign plus. Place the cursor on the image. Click and hold the left mouse button and then drag out a Mark You to select the required part of the picture. You will notice that the dash border has covered the object which you have selected as shown in the figure. Press the Delete key. Notice that the selected part of the image is deleted. Okay, let me give you a tip. Do not save the edited image as it will spoil the original one. Okay, students, know the fact. A selected area is indicated on the screen by a blinking selection border called Mark You. Lasso tool. The lasso tool is a bunch of 3 very useful tools used for freehand selections. Follow these steps to select a part of the image using the lasso tools. Open any image. Click on the tiny black triangle on the lasso tool icon or right-click on the icon. The 3 types of the lasso tools will appear. Using lasso tool. Select the lasso tool. Choose one of the selection options from the options bar. Click and drag the mouse around the part of the image to be selected and mark the selection. Release the mouse at the end point. You will notice the selection as shown in the figure. Using polygonal lasso tool. It helps to make freehand selections, but its contour is made up of straight segments. Select the polygonal lasso tool. Specify the options using the options bar. Click once on the image at any point near the object to be outlined. While holding the left mouse button, click at the position where you want the first straight segment to end. Keep clicking to set the next endpoints of the subsequent segments until the whole object is outlined. Close the contour by clicking at the starting point. Okay, let us take a quick view. When using either lasso or polygonal lasso, you can toggle between the two by pressing the Alt key. Using magnetic lasso tool. When you use this tool, the border snaps to the edges of the defined areas in the image. The magnetic lasso tool is especially useful for quickly selecting objects with complex edges set against high contrast backgrounds. Select the magnetic lasso tool. Click on any part of the image to be selected and drag the mouse pointer around the object to select it. You will find this tool drops fastening points along the edges. Continue this process till you reach the starting point or double-click at the ending point. Observe the selection as shown in the figure. Okay, note that you can also double-click at any point and a line will be drawn automatically between the starting point and the ending point where you clicked. Quick Selection Tool. This tool is used for quick selection. As you drag the mouse, the selection expands outward and finds and follows the defined edges in the image automatically. The Quick Selection tool is useful for selecting the parts of an image which require great precision to reach. Click on the Quick Selection tool. Drag the mouse to make the desired selection. Okay, note that if the Quick Selection tool does not appear in the Tools panel, right-click on the Magic Wand tool and select the Quick Selection tool. Okay, let's know more. To add a floating panel or panel group to an icon dock, drag it in by its tab or title bar. Panels are automatically collapsed to icons when added to an icon dock. Magic Wand tool. It is used to select the adjacent areas of the same color in an image. Click on the Magic Wand tool or press W. The pointer changes into symbol. Click on any part of the image. All the adjacent areas of pixels having the same color will be selected, as shown in the figure. On selecting the Magic Wand tool, the options bar displays the following options. Tolerance 0 to 255 determines the color range of the selected pixels. The higher the tolerance, wider will be the range of the selected pixels. Anti-alias produces a smooth edge by partially filling the edged pixels. Contiguous limits the selection to adjacent pixels only. While unchecking this option, all the pixels in the image within the same tolerance range will be selected. Students, let's take a quick view. The Magic Wand tool can make and merge selections if we press the Shift key.